Hello everyone, in this video we are focusing on logs and syslog. So usually logs in Linux operating system is located on var log. If you look at here, there are different logs that we have it. The message is a system message, kernel logs, last logs, syslog is a system log that we have. Usually if you want to look at the system log, you can do cat syslog, for example. It shows you the syslog, but it's because syslog is generated every second. That's the way that we are doing tail dash F. That means that the end of this file, show me the end of this file. So look, if anything is generated on the operating system, then you can see it because you're always seeing the last line of the file. And this is very good when you want to troubleshoot or you want to see, for example, a specific logs are coming to your operating system. We are looking this path. Um, there are also, if you look at, let me clean my screen. Um, if you look at, for example, authentication log, cat authentication log, that shows you who is authenticated. Like if you have a SSH session, someone is authenticated from the other operating system, so it will show that person here. The message also, the message, let me see that is located here, the message. Also, you can look at this one for troubleshooting. So look, it shows different type of logs coming, like someone audit the operating system or networking parameters. Usually is going to be located here, like your hardware is something. Um, if you want to troubleshoot your hardware or drivers, usually you look at here and it shows the message. So in terms of syslog, usually we have um, rsyslog, and rsyslog is located under etc. So if you, for example, nano etc rsyslog.conf, so here you can configure the syslogs if you want to send your syslog to another operating system. Usually there are two items that we should consider here. One of them is facility and the other one is a priority. Facility, like authentication user, kernel, cron, daemon, mail, local 1, local 2, and until local 7. These are like facilities we have. And priority is between 0 to 7. Emergency log is like less noisy. You get like a emergency log in the operating system. And level 7 is the debugging that we are having in the operating system. There are some examples here, maybe like if you want to send all facility and all priority, we rewrite it like that. And let's say you want to send to another operating system with the IP address of 192.168, for example, 10.1. And then you should send the syslog. You should put the syslog port. By default, syslog port is 514. Is a UDP port, but it depends on what type of logs you're setting. So sometimes it happens at different random port. Uh, this one, I'm gonna set it like this, for example, by default port. And then any logs, like any syslog is gonna be sent to this server. So this is the way that we are setting syslog. And another things that we have it here is logger. So basically, if you want, let me clear my screen. If you want to like generate some logs, usually you can write logger. Logger, for example, hello, um, this is my log. Okay, so I'm gonna generate more. So then if you go and look at tail, for example, tail dash F var log uh, messages. Oh, we are on the in this room. We are in this path because look, this is the path we are in. So then if you look at this file, syslog last logs, right? And tail dash F syslog. You look, you can see this log here that's generated by root. So this is the way that we are generating with logger if you want to generate some logs. There are also, let me show you this one, fail log and last log also. That's a cat last log. So that shows the last log, cat BTMP. So we don't have a log here for this one. Authentication log was the important one that I show you. Syslog was the important file. You know that these gzip file is a backup of the message that we are having here. And if you have some software, like any software that you have, like OpenVPN, Apache, I don't know, when you're installing any software, there is log for that packages. And this is very good example. For example, OpenVPN logs is located on this under this folder, or COPS logs are located under this folder. So then that means that any logs for that specific package or application, you can find it under this folder. And this is like organizing of logs and um, Linux operating system. But the main point is that all the logs is located on the var log. I hope it has been informative for you guys, and thanks for watching.